guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this flame video transition to your videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to select this video right here, and I am going to I'm trying to find like where I can place it, maybe like on this one. I'm just going to split it, go to the effects section, go to the transition section. Then you're going to go to the MG one, and you're going to just add in the flame one by pressing it, downloading it, and press add, or you can even select the video transition and drag it. You can also adjust the duration of the video transition as well here, if that's too fast. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. You can also select apply to all. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!